Hey everyone, welcome back to Style and Glamour by Ulka. So today, chit chat, get ready with me kind of video. If you are getting ready for Diwali, then you can watch this video and get ready with me. So before going further, make sure that you are subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell notification at the right side. So you're gonna get notified whenever I post a new video. Those guys who are new here, hi, my name is Ulka. I am a Cedisco certified makeup artist. I am a UGC content creator and an influencer. Yeah, so let me just apply Laneige lip balm, and it's going to be quick and easy, yet glam, because glam is my middle name. First, let me show you how many PR boxes I have laying down around here. So I have these many boxes laying around right now, and one more is down. I gotta show you guys what all I got as well in this video. I'll try to show you all. First up, we have something from Nykaa again. So this time I've got cute stuff. Strix shampoo and a heat protectant. Strix shampoo and a heat protectant. And I'll just keep it here itself so that this won't come in the middle. We have two boxes from Spectrum here. So this is from Beauty, if I'm not wrong. And what all I got in this package is so cool. I actually want to give away from them. And also, let me tell you, I am the Spectrum ambassador. They give us some goodies and all that perks when you're part of this program. And I got selected Disney collection, Stitch cartoon, you might be knowing. These are beauty blenders. I have previously used their puffs and I love them. I love them. So this is the box that I've won. So this is a Power Puff Girls X Spectrum collection. These are 6-piece brush set from Spectrum, and I love their brushes. I am a big fan of Powerpuff Girls. Oh yeah, she's Blossom. She's red, right? So she's Blossom. This next up we have is, okay, so they have given a vanity bag as well to store your brushes. Oh my god, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Spectrum, for sending this over. I love it. Very good quality bag, I must say. Look at that. It's very spacious. You can just store your brushes in it. And we have a lot of goodies laying around. Interested? Comment down below for a dedicated video on this. So we have a collection from them and I love it. I love both the set. This as well as the Powerpuff, and I will love Queen New York. This is, I guess, a McQueen New York bronzer or style ambassador program as well. So they have sent me this, and this is in the shade grey brown. I don't know if it's gonna suit me. Oh, it's a bit cool toned. This is great for Korean skin, but not for me. Okay, let me show you quickly. So this is how it looks. This is a very lighter and cool tone shade. But let's see, I'll try to use it in this video. Some other video. If you would like to see me using them, comment down below and say that we want to see you using Spectrum brushes. And their quality of brushes and their bristles are top notch. If you're a beginner and your makeup, it's great for you all. Even for an professional makeup MUA like me, their puffs are amazing and the brushes are amazing. Till now I've used them only. And let me show you quickly. I have some, one of the new collection I have laying around, and I'm going to use that. I have the link below, and my 20% discount coupon code, which you can use and avail a 20% discount on your subtotal. So first we're going to start with this Face Shop, the Therapy Vegan Trial Kit. This thing is really good. I am trying this for the second time. I've also used this in my Diwali prep video that's on my Instagram reel yesterday night. Serum, a toner, and a moisturizer with a spatula. That has been really good to me. They're gifting me a few stuff. So this is the toner. Makeup, skincare is a must. It's really hydrating and really nice. Okay, so we're done with toner. And now moving on to the serum. Definitely, definitely recommending this kit. If you want to try Face Shop products, this is really good. And now I'm going in with the moisturizer. You might be wondering why they are really small and all, but they are travel size. You better, if you want to travel, this is amazing. Some out of it. It has so cute little spoon type, smelted. It is really refreshing. Not very overpowering, but it's really good for your skin. Okay, so we are done. And now I'll be using this Bobbi Brown face base. This is a primer cum moisturizer, and it's really hydrating. You must have seen in my Bobbi Brown foundation video, and I'm just pressing it into my skin because I tend to have large pores. Now I'm using this Hollywood Flawless filter, and this is really amazing, you all. This is like an illuminator, come like a tint, glowy skin tint kind of thing. And I'm in the shade 2.5 fair. And now I'm going in with Pat McGrath concealer. This is the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Medium 14, that is LM14. This has a neutral olive undertones to it, and I love these kind of concealer colors, and this is a perfect match for me. If you're someone like my shade, this is perfect for you if you wanna discolor any imperfections on your face. And it's very lightweight as well as yet full coverage. Now going in with this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Stick Foundation. This is my favorite foundation, and my shade is Y405. It is very blendable, full coverage foundation, and you need a good full coverage foundation when you are in a Diwali party and you have to party all night. So this is perfect for you. And if you have an oily to combination skin, so this is really comfortable for you. Adding this Earth Rhythm Low pH Balance blush. This is a very pretty blush, and this is giving me a hint of color to my cheeks, as well as this is my favorite blush. This can be best applied with your fingers, and because it gives you the perfect coverage that you need. You have all control over your blush application, and I just love it. Next, going in with Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm in the shade medium. So for applying the powder, I'm using Spectrum A00 brush. This is a large powder brush, and this is from the Marble collection. This brush is perfect for your powder application as well as to apply a bronzer. And now going in with this Spectrum A29 brush. This is their mini complexion brush. This is best if you're looking for a tiny little brush under the eyes to set your foundation, concealer. I also use this brush to apply my highlighter. This is very convenient yet small, tiny brush. Now I'm going in with this PSC Cosmetics pomade and using the Spectrum double-ended brow styler brush, which is A24. And this brush, let me tell you, this is very thin and it gives me that sharp, fluffy, fuller brows that I need, and I really love it. Especially I love the spoolie behind. It is very nice and it brushes my hairs very well. Love it. Now using Spectrum A16 brush. This is the oval detailer brush, which is a really tiny brush. I'm just cleaning up my brows and giving that sharper look and just blending everything in with the marble brush, as you can see. Wow, I just love it. And now I'm going in with this Morphe setting gel. This is a brow setting gel. It's a clear one. This is one of my favorite. I'm using it a lot in my makeup tutorials. You guys must have seen. And now I'm going in with this. So I'm using the McQueen New York Contour Compact, and this is in the shade 02 Grey Brown. I don't know if this is the darker shade or the lightest one, because for me it looks very ashy and I generally don't apply these kinds of shade for my contouring, but it was okay for a light contour. And if you want to buy anything from Yes Style, then you can go ahead and use my code ULKA1410 so that you can avail straight off 10% discount on your order, and also you can buy this compact as well. So everything will be listed down below. Do check it out. So coming up on this look, I have applied my OG P.Louise base. Now starting my eye makeup. For my eye makeup, I'm using two palettes here. Firstly, I've gone in with this Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette, and I had applied the shade Clay, Coca and Ginger. These all are brown, beautiful brown shades. And now I've cut the crease with the same P.Louise base, as you can see. And here I guess I've used that detailer oval brush, and this is how beautifully I've cut the crease. And now I'm just perfecting the crease ever so slightly. And now I've started working outside of my eyelids with a beautiful pink shade, which is from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. And for that I've used the shade Bubblegum all over my lids first, which is a beautiful light pink shade which matches perfectly with my outfit. And yeah, I know I've gone a bit louder, but it looks very beautiful, genuinely. And now for the outer corner, I've gone in with Cherry Wet, which is a deeper berry tone shade. And all over my eyelids, I've gone with this shimmering cotton candy shade from the same Jawbreaker palette of Jeffree Star, and completing my entire look with the shade, I guess, Jawbreaker, which is a beautiful duochrome champagne whitish shade. And now I am applying this Maybelline tattoo liners. This is the shade Drop, and this is a beautiful golden metallic shade, and I love it. It's very sparkly. And now I'm going in with the shade Ride, which is perfect for a pop of color to my eyes because it was looking very natural, I feel. So obviously it's a festive look, so that's why. And now I've gone in with this Elf Lash and Roll Mascara. This is currently my favorite mascara, and I have talked about it previously in my Nykaa video. I've got it as a PR from Nykaa, and genuinely I love it, guys. Let me tell you, this makes my lashes very huge and you don't need any falsies. So now I'm going in with this Bougie Beauty liquid matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Rani. This is a very pretty pink fuchsia color which goes perfectly, perfect match for my outfit. And yeah, this is a final look, you all. Let me know what you guys feel about this look. Comment down below if you want to see anything else, you want any particular review from me. So completing my lips with this Etude House glow tint fixing, and this is in the shade 01 Pure Coral, and this is just making my lips a bit more hydrating and a bit more coralish. This was what I was going for my lips. And now I'm going in with this Jeffree Star Skin Frost Pro palette. This is his Ice Crusher palette, and I love it. If you guys haven't seen my Jeffree Star first impression palette reviews, you gotta check them out. And you are gonna see straight off the back. It is so amazing, you all. It's very shiny and perfect for, festive season. If you can get your hands on this, please go and buy this palette. It's amazing. Applying this highlighter, I'm using the Spectrum B08 brightening brush, and this is ideal for applying your highlighters because it's very fluffy. And I have chosen 3 shades from this palette. One is Asphyxia Frost, Ice Pick Headache, and Avalanche. So yeah, this is the final look, and how you guys feel, let me know in the comments down below. Are you gonna wear this for this festive season for Diwali? Do let me know. And yeah, so I have dolled up. Tell me, how do you feel? Do you like this look? Are you gonna recreate this? And if you do, please tag me. And yeah, bye bye. Happy Diwali.